Hi, Megan. This is Batman, calling you from Wayne Manor. I don't have to do anything, but you should really marry Elisha. He loves you more than Batman loves justice. And this is a shout out just for you, Megan. I am vengeance. I am the night. I am Batman. And remember, Megan, it's not who you are underneath. It's what you do that defines you. Okay, now this is Kevin. How awesome is Elisha? To get Batman to tell you to marry him. The wonderful thing about playing this character for so long has been the interaction I've had with the audience. The Batman fans are passionate about Batman. And I think it's because of all the superheroes, he's the only one who's not a superhero. He can't fly. He can't bend metal. He's a mortal man. But he does these extraordinary things in his mission to leave the world a better place, to heal the world of evil. It's such a noble mission. And he only has his physical strength and his mental wits to aid him. He's really more of a detective. They call him the great detective. So that's the overriding lesson from Batman, is to give to the community, to leave the world better. The second lesson is his tenacity. He never, ever, ever, ever gives up. He can't give up. People love that about him. And then there's what I call the cautionary lesson of what to avoid, the third lesson, which is Batman, like I said, he's human and he has flaws. And his biggest flaw is that he can't let people in. He's a loner. He's an island. You can't go through life that way, especially if you're going to give the way he does to the world. You need something to replenish all that energy. And the place we all go to for that are our families or our friends, the people who love us. And he has none of that. And it takes a huge toll on him. But Megan, you've learned that because you've found Elisha, who wants to spend life with you, who loves you so much. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. That's all that matters, is the love in our lives and the people who appreciate us. So good luck, Megan. And remember, Batman has always got your back. Take care.